Hi friends, in last lecture of foundation, we see shape bearing capacity of soil values according to IS code for different types of soil, then types of soil, shallow foundation and deep foundation. In last lecture, we see shallow foundation in detail. Today we see deep foundation. Deep foundation carry loads from a structure through weak compressible soil or fields onto the stronger and less compressible soils or rock at depth. These foundations are in general used as basement, buoyancy rafts, cylinders, shaft, and pile foundation. First of all, we see basement. There are constructed in place in an open excavation. They are hollow slab structures designed to provide working or storage space below ground level. The structural design is governed by their functional requirement. Then buoyancy rafts, they are hollow substructures designed to provide a buoyant substructure beneath with the net loading on the soil reduced to the desired low intensity of load. Then cylinders, they are small single cell caissons. Then shaft foundation, they are constructed within deep excavation supported by lining constructed in place subsequently filled with concrete. And last one is pile foundations. Pile foundation is a structure for construction for the foundation supported on piles. A pile is an element of construction composed of timber, concrete, or steel, or a combination of them. That is composite member. Pile pile foundation may be defined as a column support type of foundation which may be cast in situ or precast. This type of construction is adopted when the loose soil extends to a great depth. The load of the structure is transmitted by the piles to the hard strata below, or it is resisted by the friction developed on the sides of pile. Now, the classification of pile foundation, in which classification based on the function, in which the pile foundation are classified as bearing piles, friction piles, screw piles, butter piles, and sheet piles. First, we see bearing piles and friction piles. Bearing piles, uh, these penetrate through soft soil and their bottom rests on a hard strata, as shown in figure. Then friction piles, this frictional resistance is equal to load coming on the piles, as shown in the figure. Next type is screw piles. These piles used for gravelly ground, sand, mixed gravel ground, etc. These are looking as in the figure. The screw piles have blade, screw piles with blunt point, then screw piles with simple point, then screw piles with hollow conical point, and screw piles with stepped point. Then classification of pile foundation according to material or materials and composition used for pile foundation. First one is cement, concrete piles, timber piles, steel piles, sand piles, and composite piles. Cement concrete piles possesses excellent compressive strength. These are two types, precast and cast in at site. Cast in site also classified in under rim piles and board compaction piles. Then we see the requirements of a good foundation. The requirements of good foundation are: first is location. The foundation should be located that it is able to resist any unexpected future influence which may adversely affect its performance. This aspect requires careful engineering judgment. Then second requirement is stability. The foundation structures should be stable or safe against any possible failure. And last requirement is settlement. The foundation structures should not settle or deflect to such an extent so as to impair its usefulness. Then the causes of failure of good foundation. First cause is non-uniform settlement of subsoil and masonry. Second cause is horizontal movement of the soil adjacent to structures. Third one is alternate swelling and shrinkage in wet and dry cycle of the season. Fourth one is lateral pressure due to lateral movement of earth tending to overturn the structures. Fifth one is action of weathering agencies like sun, wind, or rain. Second last is lateral escape of the soil beneath the foundation of the structure. And last cause of the failure is roots of tree and shrubs which penetrate the foundation. Thank you.